What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to upgrade the interior of the Fiat. Now this car came equipped with a pre-facelift interior. Here we have a facelift interior from a 20V Turbo Plus. It's a bit nicer and has some electrical components. Now we also have a spare car to get some more parts of it, like the airbags and other electrical stuff. So without further ado, let's start. We start by taking apart the center console. There's a hidden bolt behind the emblem. Be very gentle, as this one can break very easy. Now try to remove the steering wheel.
Let me in!
Welcome to the Netherlands. Welcome back to day 2. As you can see, yesterday we did a lot off camera. Took apart the whole interior. So everything is out. Now let's head over to the second car, where we also start taking it apart. Repeat the same process on the other side. Alright guys, welcome back to day 3. So plan A failed. We wanted to get this big component into the other Fiat, but it didn't fit. Well, actually it does fit, but the wires are different and it's a whole lot newer. So to get rid of some headaches, we go to plan B. Now I'm going to show you plan B. Now here comes the issue. That car came equipped with this centerpiece. It's really nice, looks good, has bigger buttons, and my car came equipped with this thing. Now this thing is a lot smaller, uglier, but we have to go and fit it into right here. So we cut it out like this, put it in right here, and then we're all good. Sounds easy? Isn't easy. So let's do this. Welcome to day 4. Let's start. While we're in there, we also reapply some wire tape. We added some extra insulation to prevent the dash from rattling and squeaking. Well, today's the day we're going to plug in the airbags and start the car. Hopefully it doesn't explode. So let's go. Yes! Well, if you thought we would be installing this ugly steering wheel, you're wrong. We got a new one. This new one is refurbished, has new leather and red stitches. So, looks way better. Time to install it. Welcome to the end of this very long episode. I think it's about 6 or 7 weeks since I started filming this episode. We did a lot on camera, but we also did a lot off camera, like fixing electrical stuff and repainting some bits like the center console. We painted it blue instead of black. It looks way better and fits the car. Now, the original plan didn't really work out. We wanted to use the electrical bits from the other car, but they didn't fit, so we used the old stuff and we converted it to a newer style. You will see in a bit. Would I recommend this upgrade? No, just stick with your old console. It's better that way. I hope you liked this episode. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.